Hello everyone and welcome to SVTV. Today we are going to explore one of the most mysterious and bizarre creatures of the deep sea, the goblin shark. This shark is so rare and elusive that it is sometimes called a living fossil, as it is the only surviving member of an ancient family of sharks that dates back to 125 million years ago. Are you ready to learn more about this fascinating fish? Then let's dive into the top 10 goblin shark facts. 10. They are pink. Yes, you heard that right. Goblin sharks have a pinkish or purplish-gray color that makes them stand out from other sharks. But this color is not due to their skin pigmentation, but rather to their blood vessels. Goblin sharks have very thin and translucent skin that reveals their blood underneath. This gives them a creepy and ghostly appearance that matches their name. 9. They grow into their noses. Goblin sharks have a very distinctive feature, a long and flattened snout that protrudes from their head. This snout is packed with electroreceptors called ampullae of Lorenzini that help them detect the electric fields of their prey in the dark depths of the ocean. But when they are born, their snout is disproportionately large compared to their body. As they grow older, their snout becomes more proportionate, but it never loses its weird shape. 8. They have atrophied bodies. Goblin sharks are not very athletic or muscular animals. They have small fins, weak skeletons, and poorly developed visual and muscular systems. They also lack a swim bladder, which is an organ that helps fish control their buoyancy in the water. This means that goblin sharks have to swim constantly to avoid sinking to the bottom of the sea. They are also very slow swimmers, with a top speed of only 15 miles per hour. 7. They have retractable jaws. One of the most amazing adaptations of goblin sharks is their ability to extend and retract their jaws. Their jaws are attached to elastic ligaments that allow them to protrude up to 3 inches out of their mouth when they strike at their prey. This gives them an extra reach and a powerful bite force that can pierce through the flesh of fish, squid, and crustaceans. After they catch their prey, they retract their jaws back into their mouth and swallow it whole. 6. They are ovoviviparous. Goblin sharks have a unique mode of reproduction called ovoviviparity, which means that they produce eggs that hatch inside their body and then give birth to live young. The female goblin shark can carry up to 6 pups in her womb at a time, each measuring about 32 inches long at birth. The pups are born fully developed and independent, and they have to fend for themselves right away. 5. They are solitary animals. Goblin sharks are not very social animals. They prefer to live alone or in small groups of 2 or 3 individuals. They are also most active during the morning and evening hours, when they hunt for food near the seafloor or along submarine canyons and continental slopes. They avoid contact with other sharks or humans, and they rarely venture into shallow waters. 4. They are living fossils. Goblin sharks belong to an ancient family of sharks called Mitsucarinidae, which originated during the Cretaceous period, about 125 million years ago. They are the only living representatives of this family, which means that they have survived several mass extinctions and environmental changes throughout history. They are considered living fossils because they retain many primitive features that are not found in other modern sharks. 3. They are widely distributed but rarely seen. Goblin sharks have been found in various locations around the world, including Japan, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, France, Portugal, Spain, Brazil, Mexico, and the United States. However, they are very rare and elusive animals that are seldom encountered by humans. Most of the specimens that have been collected or observed were caught accidentally by fishermen or researchers using deep-sea nets or traps. 2. They are poorly studied and understood. Because of their rarity and inaccessibility, goblin sharks are one of the least studied and understood species of sharks in the world. Scientists know very little about their biology, ecology, behavior, and population status. They do not even know how long they live, how often they reproduce, or how many of them exist in the wild. They are also difficult to keep in captivity, as they tend to die quickly or refuse to eat. 1. They are not dangerous to humans. Despite their scary appearance and name, goblin sharks pose no threat to humans. They are too slow and sluggish to chase or attack people. And they live in depths that are beyond the reach of most divers. They also feed on small and soft-bodied animals that are very different from humans. There has never been a recorded case of a goblin shark biting or injuring a human. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning more about the goblin shark, one of the most mysterious and bizarre creatures of the deep sea. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing animal facts. And don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us what animal you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you next time.